Wahoo! Can you for a second thought this is crochet, you guys? Like, oh my goodness, this hair from Goodear hair on Amazon is so giving me that vibes right now. You know what I'm saying? Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So the hair I'm going to be using today's video was sent to me by Goodear Hair Store on Amazon. You guys, this hair is so beautiful. This is 100% handmade. It is so light. It is so soft. It is very easy to install, you guys. And this hair looks so natural. So you guys, they sent me 5 packs of their BOHO WAVY first love. Like this is kind of look like a spring twist hair, and I love it. This is 14 inches and in color T30. So all the details you need to know about this hair, I'm gonna be leaving them down on the description below. Do make sure you check them out. With that being said, let's get right into the tutorial video. Alright. My hair is so dry right now. So to moisturize my hair, I'm taking this my Cantu leave-in conditioner. So this is just going to soften the hair, making it very easy for me to manipulate. So I'm also going in with this my black Jamaica castor oil. So as you can see, I already did some of my braid pattern off camera just to save the time. So you guys, I'm going to show you how to do that. Alright. So as you all know, if you've been following me for a while now, you know that the illusion braid method is my favorite way, like my favorite method of installing crochet braid, whereby they will just come out looking like individual braids, you guys. So yeah, just watch me as I do this. I'm using the olive oil edge control to smoothen my part as I braid my hair. As you all know, this is my favorite edge control ever. So now that I'm done braiding my hair, this is how it's all looking like. So taking this my black castor miracle oil, I'm just gonna use this to oil my scalp. That's because I don't always like my scalp, feeling so dry. And yeah, now it's time for the installation process, you guys. This hair is also beautiful, as you can see. I love the color. It's so natural. It's super lightweight, and I love it. I got a lot of compliments on this hair, you guys. Like right now, I'm not even feeling like taking down this hair anytime soon. So you guys, yeah, now you're gonna be doing a regular crochet braid. Grab your crochet hook, pull it through your natural hair, put in the lock, and then pull it through. Does that make sense? Yeah, just watch me as I do this. All right. So this is 3 packs of hair, you guys. This hair is so full. Like the each pack of hair contains 18 strands. So the 5 packs in total is 90 strands. So I'm installing all the hair on my head, you guys. That's because I wanted a fuller look. So if you're the type that doesn't want a full hair or a fuller look, you can as well use 4 packs. So I ended up using 5 packs of hair, and in total I have 90 strands of hair on my head, you guys. Just make sure you open up the loop of the hair and install it on your hair. It is very, very easy. Just watch me as I do this. So this is all I'm going to be doing all over my entire head. And yeah. So you guys, I'm just going to allow you watch through this uh entire process, and I'll be right back. All right. When you feel it's hard. So now that I'm done installing the hair, this is how it's all looking like. Like on a more serious note, can you tell this is crochet? Like you guys, I am so in love with this hair right now. I am so feeling this hair right now. I love it. Look at how it all looking gorgeous. Like the hair isn't heavy at all. It is so super light. It is light. I feel like I have nothing on my head right now. So now I'm just gonna go ahead and style my edges. Your dad got to lay some edges. I'm using the Echo Styler gel to do that. Watch me as I do it. Is the baby hairs for me? So you guys, I'm going to be taking these styling strips to tie my baby hairs down while I do my makeup off camera. Like you guys, this hair is so gorgeous. So this is all for this video. Like this is going to be all for today's video. If you enjoyed this video, make sure you give me a thumbs up, like, comment, do all those good stuff. Subscribe to my channel, support your girl. All right, yeah, share this video with your friends. They might also want to try this out. And yeah, till next time, I will see you. Always stay beautiful and bye for now.
She already know this. She want a bad man to come and video this. I'm feeling all this. She already know this. She want a bad man to come and video this. You a murder me, eh 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 eh. You a murder me, eh 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 eh. You a murder me. You a murder me. She says she want murder. I'm the guy you never heard of. So back it up and put it on a brother. Baby girl, I know you want murder. Your face, your eyes, looking very nice. The way you whine, I want you to be mine. So make you turn it up and put it on me. Girl, make you follow me and be my only. So make you go down, girl. Oh Lord, make you slow down, girl. Oh Lord, so make you go down, girl. Slow down, girl. Oh Lord, have His mercy. Hey. I'm feeling all this, she already know this. She want a bad man to come and video this. I'm feeling all this, she already know this. She want a bad man to come and video this. You a murder me, eh 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 eh.